Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all guys know me, I am Keerthana KS, currently pursuing my BA at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I'll be discussing about the subject called Computer-Aided Engineering Design, particularly about the topic called Planes, Lines and Points. Table of Content. Introduction, Drawing Instruments Required, Types of Lines, Quadrant System. Introduction to Computer-Aided Design. Computer-aided design CAD is the use of computer technology to aid in the design and drafting of products and buildings. CAD software allows designers to create precise 2D and 3D models, visualize concepts, and simulate how designs will perform in the real world. CAD has revolutionized the design process by increasing efficiency, accuracy, and collaboration among design teams. Complex systems, how CAD works and its use in designing. CAD is also sometimes called computer-aided design and drafting. Using computer-based software to assist in design process is known as computer-aided design. Various kinds of engineers and designers regularly utilize CAD software. Two-dimensional drawings and three-dimensional drawings models can both be produced using CAD software by making design simple to share, review, and simulate. Lines in CAD. Lines are one of the basic geometric elements in CAD used to connect points and definite shapes. In CAD, lines are defined by 2 points indicating the start and end points of the line. Lines can be straight, curved, or complex shapes and are crucial for creating precise geometry in CAD drawings. Planes in CAD. Planes in CAD are flat structures that extend infinity to two dimensions. Planes are essential for creating sketches and defining the orientation of objects in a 3D model. CAD software allows designers to create and manipulate planes to build complex geometric shapes and structures. These are the tools which have been used in CAD. Angles in different quadrants. Quadrant 1 0 to 90 degree. Quadrant 2 90 is less than 180 degree. Quadrant 3 180 degrees less than 270 degree. Quadrant 4 270 degrees less than theta less than 360 degree. Principal planes of projection. HP means horizontal planes. VP is vertical plane. LPP or RPP means left profile plane or right profile plane. Points to remember. Thickness of XY line is 0.35 mm. Thickness of thick line is 0.50 mm. Thickness of thin line is 0.13 mm. Thickness of point is 2 mm. Thickness of projection lines is 0.13 mm. Inside angle of pentagon is 108 degree. Outer angle is 72 degree. Inside angle of hexagon is 120 degree. Outer angle is 60 degree. Representation of front view is A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. Top view is A, B, C, D. Side view is A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash. Now, a point is 20 mm above HP. In the first quadrant, its shortest distance from the XY line is 40 mm. Draw the projections and determine its distance from VP. Here in question they have given that 20 mm which lies in first quadrant means positive. First go to line option. XY line thickness must be 0.35 mm. Draw one XY line. Sorry. Draw one XY line. Go to text box and name it as X and Y. Above XY line is VP and below XY line is HP. Now go to line. Select 0.13 mm. Click on XY line. Give 20 mm. Press enter. 90 degree. Press enter. And go to line. Select 0.13. Select one reference line. Draw one reference line. If you want, you can name it as X dash and Y dash. Go to arc by center point. Click on intersection. Give it as 40 mm. Press enter. Angle 45. Press enter. Now go to line 0.13. Extend this line until it touches the arc. Unwanted lines you can trim by using trim option. Now go to line, select this intersection point, extend this line, give -45 degree, press enter. Now select line with 0.13, extend this line towards downward direction. Now extend this line towards left. Join this line. You can trim unwanted lines. Now go to smart dimension, measure these lines, and now using text box, name it as above XY line is front view, so name it as A dash. Below XY line is top view, name it as A. And go to angle between, select these two lines and measure 45. Unwanted lines, trim it. Then go to leader option, mark the arrows. This one towards right side, this one towards downward direction, this one towards left direction. Then go to text option. You can name it as top view and front view we know. Now we should find the side view. This is the side view. Name it as A double dash. Side view is represented by A double dash. So we'll name it as A double dash. Now this problem completes. Go to next question. A line AB 70 mm long is inclined to HP at 30 degree and to VP at 45 degree. The end A is 15 mm above HP and in VP. Draw the projections. Go to line, select 0.35 mm, draw one XY line, go to text option, name it as X and Y. Above XY line is VP and below XY line is HP. Go to line. Here they have given the 15 mm above HP and in VP. Above HP means above XY line we should draw 15 mm line with 0.13 mm. Draw one 15 mm line. Give 15 mm, enter, 90 degree, enter. Now extend this line towards rightward direction, or you can use offset option. Go to line with 0.35. Draw one reference line. Name it as, go to text option. Name it as A dash and A and A dash. The line 70 mm long inclined to VHP. and 30 degree to VP and 45 degree to VP. Now 70 long we should draw both in HP and VP with angles 30 and 45 degree. Now go to line, select 0.50 True line will be in 0.50 or you can select 0.13. Later you can change. Select this line 30 degree to VP and 45 to wait, incline to HP at 30 degree. HP 30 degree means upward direction you should take 30. Give 70 length, 30 degree angle. Go to line with 0.13 Draw one line with 70 30 degree angle. Press enter. Now go to line. Select this third option, locus. Draw one locus to this line. Now using angle between, you can measure the angle. Select these two lines. Angle is 30. Now go to line with 0.13 Select this line. Enter 70 length is 70 plus enter. And the angle here they have given is 45 degree to VP. Means on HP you have to take below XY line. Give it as 45 degree angle plus enter. Sorry, minus 45 you must give. Go to select option. You can delete unwanted line. Click on line 0.13. 70 plus enter. Here minus 45. Press enter. Select this line. Give continuous. Select continuous line. Now go to angle between. Measure the angle between these two lines. It's 45 Now go to line. Select locus option. Draw one locus to this line. Select continuous line. Then go to arc by center point. Sorry, before that we have to extend these lines to XY line. Extend this line towards the normal direction with 90 degree. Extend this line towards upward direction. Straight line. Center point option. Select this point. This is the radius. It's not, sorry. This point. This is the radius. Select select this point. Select this line, which is the radius. So, this is 0.0. So, this. So, it is in this. 0, this point. So, intersection point. Same way. this line, extend this line, extend this line, these two lines, it's 45 degree, same order, next to this other, it's 55 degree, then next option, so that's B, this is B dash, this is from this is previous position, HP, such that the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. The edge on which it rests is inclined to BP at 60 degree. Draw the projection. Now go to line, select 0.35 mm, draw an XY line, draw, go to text option, name it as X and Y. Above the XY line is VP and below XY line, above the XY line is VP and below the XY line is HP. Now go to line option, draw one horizontal line. Here the equilateral triangle lamina is given 25 mm. Now draw on its sides. Name it as given 25 mm plus enter 0 degree plus enter. Using select option you can delete this line. Go to line. Select 0.50 mm. Draw one line with 25 mm plus enter. Angle is 0 degree plus enter. 25 mm plus enter. Angle will be 120 degree plus enter. And 25 mm plus enter. Angle is minus 120 degree plus enter. Now go to select option. Select this triangle. Go to rotate option. You can rotate this triangle. First, I'll move this triangle. Now I'll rotate. Now go to line with 0.13 mm. Extend this line towards upward direction. Go to leader option. Move this arrow mark towards upward direction. Go to text option. Name it as A, B, and C. Using smart dimension, you can measure one of its size of triangle. Now go to line. Select 0.50 mm. Select one end of this line and another end of this line. Now go to text option. In top view, it is represented as A dash, B dash, and C dash. Now We'll observe from this side. B is visible and A is not visible. So we name it as B dash, A dash, and here C dash. Now go to select option, select this line, move. Now using rotate option, you have to rotate. Here, if it is inclined to HP at 60 degree, the angle we should give is 60 degree. 60 plus enter, 60 plus enter. Go to angle between, select these two lines and measure the angle. It's 60. Now go to line, select 0.13 mm, click on this line, extend towards downward direction. Press enter. Now extend this line towards right side direction. Can name it as using text option. This one as A, B, and C. Using trim option, you can trim unwanted lines. Now go to line, select 0.50 mm, select this line, triangle complete. Delete this unwanted lines. Now go to line. Here they have given 60 degree to VP. Means below XY line. Go to line. Enter. So 60 we have to give here as minus 60 degree. Plus enter. Go to select option. Select this line. Thickness must be 0.13 mm. Go to angle between. Select these two lines to measure the angle. It's 60. Now go to select option. Select this whole triangle of second position triangle. We have to select. Move. Select any one edge of the triangle. Place on this line. Now go to rotate option. Click any two edges. You can rotate. Okay. Then go to line. Select 0.13 mm. Extend these lines towards upward direction. Now extend this line towards right side direction. Extend this B line, sorry, C line towards upward direction. Now go to line, select 0.50 mm. First, before that, we have to name using text option. This one name it as A dash and this one as B dash. This one as B dash. This one as C dash. Go to line option. Select 0.50 mm. Select this line. Select this B line. Next C. Click on undo if you want to get straight line. Again go to line option. Select this line option. Select 0.50 mm. From B to C extend this line. Again from C to A. This is go to text option. This is first position. You can name it as first position. Using text option. And this one is second position. This is third position. This is first problem, points module problem, and the second one is lines. Go to leader option. This one in downward direction. And the last problem is planes chapter. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe.